So what we got here today, it's our Heritage 16-inch pistol, and let's see how good it is. This is a 22 rifle. You actually load it from here. Let's move the target a little bit so you can actually load it. Let's start with 30 feet to see if it's even accurate. Now, the way that you actually load in this tin is you open here at the back, and then the bullet's gonna go one by one for over there. So do this and they're rolling. Let's make sure the safety is on, and then we're gonna roll it and put one more, and roll it and put one more. Let's see, that's it. Cool. We're gonna close this thing out. Now, this is a very long rifle, right? Like pistol, but it's like a rifle. And we're gonna try to see how accurate it is. We have the safety here, it's a single action. We have the safety here, we're gonna remove the safety down. And now it's actually ready to shoot. When you bring it back up, there's a piece of steel here that will prevent it from shooting. Let's bring it down and let it go. It's a big long pistol. Right? It's big. Okay. This one's the first shot. Let's bring it back. I'm gonna bring the target back and see where it's hit. I was pointing to the red. It's actually not bad at all. I hit over here instead of over there. Let's do the rest of the shot and see if I can actually do this. Now, this is a single action. Oh, I need to crank it each time by hand, and then second dud. Okay, so now we have to empty the gun. So to empty the gun, first we're going to put it on a safety way. Now it's on safety, so it cannot have any accident. And then you turn and you have here the spring. This spring what release actually the bullet back up. So we tilt it sideways. Second, pop, pop, pop. Okay, halfway, and then it's pushing it out. One more. One more recording or what? Okay, and we're done. Now, let's look at the target. We only got 3 shots. 2 of those were bad, but it's a very accurate gun at 30 feet. Let's shoot it right now at 45 feet.